at Hattiesburg Speedway. Last minute, it's supposed to rain. Looks like it rained, cleared out. So we tore off up here. Me, Kevin, and Hunter. Garrett come, but he brought the baby, and I dropped the ball. I had some earmuffs for the baby in my truck, but they got misplaced or moved or something, and they had to go home with the baby. But that's all right. Maybe we'll be done here quick. I'm starting on the pole of the second heat.
Yeah.
Hunter's starting beside me. Kevin's in the first heat.
First heat, second row inside.
Second row inside. So let's hope we can get us a heat win right here and have us an outside start spot for the picture right here. Oh, yes, Rhett's coming. I called him. He said it was raining in Summerall. He was coming, though. He did say he was coming. do some updates for y'all. But me and Kevin, we're really the only ones here. And Cliff, he's working on his car. Me and Kevin's here by ourselves, so we're just working on each other's car with each other. But I think we're ready to go. We're outside pole. Kevin starts inside second row, be third spot, and I think Hunter starts ninth or 10th. I think 10th maybe. But anyways, we're getting ready to go. Maybe we can finish out solid. The track's been really greasy. My car's been running kind of warm too. I don't know if the radiator's just I don't know if a radiator can wear out, but it's been getting warm. It got warm last week at Outlaw, and I got up to 230 in an 8-lap heat race, and I wasn't really. It's hot. It's humid tonight, but I don't know if it shouldn't be getting this hot this early in the season. But anyways, we're gonna go give it a shot. Maybe Garrett will be with us tomorrow if we go anywhere. Don't know yet, but we'll just go out here and give it a shot. So y'all hang on. There's my film crew.
Look.
My film crew.
Look.
Oh, that's Macy. Baby Macy. Allie's at home with the baby. And Cole Daddy said he is up past his bedtime. My video crew. What's up, everybody? It's Sunday. It's hot and humid, but windy. Supposed to rain. It hadn't rained yet, but I went ahead and come on out here and unloaded the car from Friday night and started washing it. We've been having some overheating issues and we can't figure out why. But the only thing we come up with, Kevin thought of, was over the off season I added some tubes and some mufflers and some 90s on my exhaust, kind of quieten it down some. But he's thinking maybe I got some back pressure and it's causing it to sit in the engine a little longer and cause it to heat up. But I cut that off earlier, and I guess we're gonna go try it again somewhere maybe this weekend. See if we can see if we fix the problem. But no, we had a good night Friday night. Kevin, he had an issue. I think his shock was broken on his right front, caused him to be super tight, and he couldn't steer the car, so he pulled off. But I was running good. I had a good start. I was running second there, and then on the restart, I was giving it all I had, and pushed up a little bit. Jade and Kevin got by me on the bottom, but the track was it was pretty bottom dominant, but it was choppy. It was good, but I ain't making no excuses. I let them by, but I ended up finishing second. Started second, finishing second, and anyways, we'll clean it up. We'll move on next week. I don't know where we're going. Hattiesburg's not racing Friday night. So I don't know what we're going to do this weekend. We might not do anything. But if we do, maybe we'll let y'all know soon enough this week. But anyways, Garrett, he came, but they brought the baby for the first time. And the baby was not happy. She was pretty ill. So they went on home. But it's all right. It was all good. Me and Kevin managed, and Colton and Miss Denise helped. And my mom and my grandma came and hung out too. So, but anyways, we're gonna put this thing up. We'll let y'all know if we decide to go somewhere this week or not. Maybe Garrett will be back with us, and can let y'all know something if we decide something. So, thank y'all for following along. Maybe we'll continue on with some good luck. Thank y'all.